Talesong 41. Call it sleep. I wander streets, dark and deep, dreams and fears in my mind creep. Little Jenny, eyes wide, heart tight. Nighttime whispers, shadows bite. Family fights, parents collide, secrets and silence I cannot hide. The city hums with cold and grime, life and faith, a tangled rhyme. I watch, I learn, I stumble, I pray, trying to make sense of night and day. Strangers loom, strangers pass, stories unfold like shattered glass. I grow, I see, I start to know, life is messy, but I must go. In quiet moments, understanding seeps, this world is mine, though it cuts deep. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.